Here's India in the last 24 hours. In West Bengal, in Mathabhanga Cooch Bihar district, TMC workers, to avoid public anger and possible legal action, have reportedly started returning money they had collected over time as cut money or through extortion. In Assam, RSU leader Madhurja Barma and his female cousin were traveling on a two-wheeler when they were assaulted. Nalbari MLA and former BJP minister Jayanta Malla Barua calls it love jihad. The accused was later killed in an encounter. As per renowned economist Ajit Ranade, the rupee is continuously getting buffeted, and paradoxically, the RBI is making a lot of money selling dollars and then transferring all that to the center, making them fiscally complacent at one level. In Delhi, the government on Monday said that the center has achieved its fiscal deficit target of 4.4% of the GDP for 2025 to 26. The fiscal deficit for the previous financial year was estimated to be at 15.6 lakh crores, which was revised down to 15.5 lakh crores, as presented to Parliament in February by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In Delhi, BJP President Nitin Nabin chaired a series of key organizational meetings, including one with the party's state presidents and another with the office bearers. This comes a day after the BJP's top leadership held a meeting at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence. Deliberations were held regarding Rajya Sabha names, cabinet reshuffle, as well as the party's campaign to celebrate 12 years of the Modi government. Carmakers report strong May sales growth, with Maruti Suzuki achieving record numbers amid geopolitical tensions and rising rural demand. In Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma writes to apex social bodies of Nagas and Kukis of Manipur for immediate release of all hostages. Nephew Rio seeks Home Minister's intervention for release of 6 Liangmai Nagas. In Ladakh, in an overhaul of its excise regime, the administration has approved a liberalized liquor policy, allowing the retail sale of hard liquor and expanding liquor outlets in the region from 2 to 20. Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena approved the policy, stating that the reforms are intended to reduce dependence on narcotic substances, strengthen regulation and support tourism-led economic activity.